Love trumps hate. Trump was hate. Love wins. Anyway, welcome to the house. It's harvest time. Cucamelon, they're a little old, but they're still edible. Still nice. We're going to actually pickle these. These are for pickling. They actually got a sweeter flavour. We're also digging sweet potato today. That was just one plant, I think. And then lovely pumpkin for later, little one. And we're going now to harvest. Well, we have a look over here. Got another few pumpkins here. And the big tromboncino, which I'm actually going to let go to seed. So I have seeds for next year. I'm going to come over this way and harvest my chilies. So I can dry them before the freezing weather kind of knocks them out. So these were from seeds I just purchased to put in my, they were like half price I think. And they were just chilies, and then I took out the seeds. So I'm going to dry a bunch and then take the seeds from some and then give some to teachers at school, maybe my colleagues. These are actually starting to dry a little bit, so I'll probably try and use those and keep on drying those because they're just going there, but any more a frost could actually ruin them. Still have my battle with the kind of caterpillar, well, moth caterpillars over here. But this is also interesting. This is a grain. It's either chia or quinoa or one of those. I can't remember. But I have to find out how to harvest. So there should be lots of grain in there. It's quite heavy actually. So if I shake it out, apparently that's how I get the grain, but I haven't worked out. Maybe it needs a little bit more time. Still really warm here. Have a look at the sky over there. Beautiful blue. And a little bit later, we'll pick the khaki persimmon. My fennel's coming through. My parsnips are there for winter. My carrots are still there. And I've got kale and daikon coming through. So, the house. Have you stayed? Insta at Have You Stayed. Bye.